As a student, I spend a lot of time reading lecture notes and papers. In these, most of the time, I don't want to search for a specific phrase. I have a question and I want the part of the PDF that answers it. Command plus F can't do that, and ChatGPT doesn't allow me to upload very large PDFs. So I decided to build my own solution. Hi, I'm Ishita, a student at IIT Delhi, and this is my challenge: 50 projects in 50 weeks. Every week, I build something real and share everything I learned along the way. This week, I built a semantic search engine. Drop in any PDF, ask a question in plain English, and it searches the document based on the meaning of your question, giving you the most relevant passages. The core idea behind semantic search is actually really cool. Imagine every sentence in the world had an address, a location, and space. When you pass a sentence through an embedding model, it converts it into a list of hundreds of numbers called a vector. Individually, these numbers don't mean much, but together they act like coordinates, placing the sentence somewhere in a high dimensional space. Sentences with similar meanings end up close together. For example, what is machine learning and can you define machine learning would end up almost on top of each other, while who won the FIFA World Cup would be much further away because it means something completely different. That's the entire trick behind semantic search. Instead of matching keywords, it matches meaning. Here's how my tool works. First, the PDF is split into smaller chunks. Each chunk is converted into a vector and stored in an index. When you ask a question, that question is converted into a vector too, and the search simply finds the chunks closest to it. The best part is that this still works even when your question and the document don't share a single keyword because it matches meaning instead of words. The first step was getting text out of PDFs. I used PyMo PDF, imported as fits, to extract the text from every page while skipping blank pages. The next step was chunking. I couldn't just split the PDF into random chunks because a sentence could get cut in half, leaving neither chunk with the full idea. So I used overlapping chunks. Then came the embedding model. I used an embedding model released by Microsoft. Unlike last week's project, I wasn't training it. I was simply using it to convert every chunk into a vector of 384 numbers representing its meaning. Once every chunk became a vector, I needed a way to search through thousands of vectors instantly. For this, I used FAISS, a library developed by Meta AI's research team designed specifically for efficient similarity search and clustering of dense vectors. FAISS builds an index in memory that lets you perform really fast nearest neighbor searches. When you ask a question, it converts your query into a 384 dimensional vector and instantly calculates the mathematical distance to find the closest chunks. To make it practical, I configured the app to save this FAISS index directly to disk. This way, when you add a new PDF later, the system only processes the new pages and appends them to the existing index instead of rebuilding your entire database from scratch. I also converted the distance scores into a similarity percentage so the interface could show how confident each result was. I tested everything in the terminal first, gave it a finance workbook, and asked three completely different questions. Each time, it found the right passages, even when my query and the document didn't share the same keywords. Once everything worked, I wrapped it in a fast API backend and built a simple front end. I vibe coded a basic HTML interface where you upload PDFs, ask a question, and instantly see the relevant passages. The code is on my GitHub if you'd like to try it yourself. At that point, the search engine already worked, but it still returned raw passages instead of actually answering my questions. I wanted to go one step further. So I downloaded Olama, an open source tool for running large language models locally, and ran Mistral, a 7 billion parameter language model that would generate answers from the retrieved text. Instead of returning the top 5 chunks directly, those chunks now get passed to the language model, which reads only the relevant parts of the document and generates a concise answer grounded in the source material. This turned my simple semantic search engine into a RAG system, the same idea behind tools like NotebookLM. Naturally, I had to test it. I gave it the same finance questions I'd used earlier, and this time, instead of returning a handful of paragraphs, it produced a clear, well written answer. I then tried much more complicated questions that required combining information from different parts of the document, and it handled those too. Even better, every answer included the 5 source passages it had used, so instead of blindly trusting the model, I could verify exactly where every statement came from, meaning zero hallucinations and total verifiability. That's 2 projects down. If you have any idea for something I should build next, leave it in the comments. I'll see you next week.